So boy standing on a long railroad car throws a ball straight upward. The car is moving on the horizontal road with acceleration of 2 meter per second square, and the projection velocity is into the vertical direction of 9.8 meter per second. How far behind the boy will the ball fall on the car? So this is the rail car, and it is moving horizontally with 1 meter per second square. So a boy standing on the long rail car throws a ball vertically upward with 9.8 meter per second, and it moves vertically upward, then strikes on the ground. So what is the vertical? So when it is projected vertically upward and it strikes on the ground, what is the time taken for the purpose? So y equals to uyt minus half gt square. Y equals to uyt minus half gt square. So when ball projected vertically upward and strikes at the same horizontal distance, so vertical displacement is 0. As vertical displacement is 0, uyt minus half g t square. So uyt equals to half g t square. T gets cancelled. So uy equals to how much? Uy equals to half g t. So uy equals to how much? Uy equals to 9.8. Uy is 9.8, half g is 9.8, so this is t. So after solving this, t equals to how much? T equals to 2 seconds. So from this position to this position, time equals to how much? Time equals to 2 seconds. That is the time. And within this time, so what is the distance covered? Distance covered equals to how much? Distance covered equals to ux into t plus half ax into t square. That is the distance covered. So distance covered ux into t plus half ax into t square. X equals to how much? Ux is 0. 0 into t plus half ax into t square. Ax is 1 as it is moving horizontally with acceleration 1 meter per second square. As it is moving horizontally with 1 meter per second square. So what is the horizontal distance covered? X equals to 2 meter. That is the horizontal distance covered. So horizontal distance covered is 2 meter, and time equals to how much? Time equals to 2 seconds. So that is the final answer. Horizontal distance covered is 2 meter and time taken equals to how much? Time taken equals to 2 seconds. So that is the final answer.